so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you having a great day? Yeah, I am too, because I am drawing. I love drawing. It's so much fun to express your creativity. Whoa, I have an idea. Why don't we draw something together? And why don't we draw JJ from Cocomelon? Wow, what a cute boy. He's in preschool, and he's just so happy. All right, let's take a black marker and draw his head. Looks like a circle, but it's actually a square with very rounded corners. Whoa, yeah. And do you see how I had a gap right there? Yeah, that's for his hair. Let's draw his hair. Yeah, it swirls like this. Whoa, boing. Whoa, whoa, yeah, cute hair. And now for his eyes. They're so big. Whoa, there we go. Two big circles like that. And then circles inside the circles. Whoa! And let's draw his eyebrows so we don't forget it. And let's draw his pupils. Yeah, see those black circles? Yeah, cool. Now for his nose. That's how JJ smells. Whoa, maybe it's because his sister Yo-Yo was cooking something in the kitchen. Yeah, there we go. Or maybe his brother Tom-Tom, yeah, is eating some pizza or salad. Whoa, now let's draw a big smile, just like that. Yeah, because maybe he's so happy because he just rode his bicycle with his best friend Cody. Whoa, he does look happy. Let's draw a little tongue right there. So cute. And what's he missing on the side of his head? Hello? Yeah, two big ears. Whoa, there we go. That's how he hears. All right, shall we color him in or shall we color him in? All right, so let's draw some brown on his eyes. Yeah, he has colorful brown eyes. Whoa, so big. Whoa. Yeah, you just draw brown circles right there around the pupils. And then he's looking more like JJ. And for his hair, yeah, it's the color yellow, blonde. So let's do some squiggles right up there. Whee! Wow, such cute hair. Wow, JJ is such a fun boy. And speaking of fun, did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, it was fun. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. See you, JJ. It's me, Blippi. And today, you and I are gonna draw Twinkle from Little Baby Bum. Wow, Twinkle is such a cute star in the night sky. Yeah, and she's always smiling. Okay, to draw Twinkle, you need either yellow or orange. And we're gonna draw a lot of curved lines that come to a point. All right, just like that. Whoa, very thick looking star, right? Whoa, there we go. And one last one. Whoa, yeah. All right, now we need to draw some circles for the eyes. Whoa, a big circle, another big circle, and then fill in a small circle. Yeah, just like that. And then short, small little lines for the cute, pretty eyelashes. Then a big smile. But we also need to draw a pink bow tie. There we go, just like that. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, she's so cute. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Arpo. Arpo is a great and patient babysitter who's also a robot. All right, let's start by drawing Arpo's face. Let's start with this curved line like that. Go up with another curve, and then let's draw the top of Arpo's head. Whoa, wait. Then let's keep that curved line going, and woo, yeah! All right, and then for his eyes, some more curved lines, and a circle with a circle inside, another circle with another circle inside, and you can't forget about his mouth. Yeah, a straight line and a silly tooth right there. Whoa! And for his shoulders, there's Arpo. Wow, I love drawing. Did you have fun today? Yeah! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to know one of my favorite snacks when it's really hot outside? Yeah, an ice cream cone. They taste so good, and it's nice and cold when it's hot outside. Hey, why don't you and I draw an ice cream cone? All right, first I'm gonna start with the color purple, and then I'm gonna act like I'm drawing a circle, but I'm gonna stop about halfway. And then I'm gonna draw some half circles on the bottom, just like that. Ooh, that's the ice cream. Ooh, and then you can't forget about the cone. So I'm gonna use the color brown and draw a V. Yeah, if I drew straight across there, then that would be a triangle. All right, let's connect that, just like that. And then I'm gonna do some stripes. Whoa! Yeah, it looks like we have some texture right there. Wow, doesn't that look yummy? Whoa! Wow, I sure do love drawing, and I sure do love ice cream. I only eat ice cream after I eat a nice healthy meal. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you excited to draw with me? Yeah, I am too. And today, you and I are gonna draw a fruit. Yeah, not a vegetable, a fruit. Hey, and will you guess what fruit it is? I'll describe it to you. It's a big fruit. It's circular. Yeah, nice and round. It's very heavy. It's green on the outside, but when you cut it open on the inside, what you eat is the color red. Yum! Yeah, it's a watermelon. Not just any watermelon, it's a Cocomelon watermelon. Are you excited? Yeah, let's draw. Okay, first I'm gonna take the color green and draw a big circle. Woohoo! There we go, just like that. Whoa, perfect! And then on the inside, we're gonna draw a square with rounded edges. Yeah, and that's a TV. There we go. Whoa, 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 yeah! And now let's draw some watermelon lines. Whoa, yeah! There we go. Perfect. Whoa, yeah! Wow, now it's looking like a watermelon, right? Okay, I'm gonna take the color black though next, and then I'm gonna draw the top. Yeah, the antennas. Draw a half circle just like that, and then whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, small little circles just like that. And then what about for the face right here? Yeah, two big eyes. One circle right there. There we go. Oh, fill it in with the color black. So then this watermelon can see. And there's another one right there. Okay, what are we missing right here? Right here. Yeah? Okay, the nose. Boop. And then a big smile. Whoa! Yeah, that definitely looks like the Cocomelon watermelon. Wow! Did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, I had fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw a bus. Not just any bus, Buster the bus from Go Buster. Wow, Buster is so cool. Yeah, he takes his job very serious, but not too seriously because he always has a smile. All right, to draw Buster, I'm gonna take a black marker and draw a rectangle, but with rounded corners. There we go. How does that look? Whoa, and let's draw a circle down here for a wheel and a tire. Ooh, and a little circle inside. Ooh, and a square right down there. All right, let's draw a rectangle right here for the front windshield. And then a smiley face. But you can't forget about the eyes, those half circles right there. And let's start coloring things in. All right, tires, as you know, are black. Yeah, there we go. But you can't also forget about the rear view mirrors. And then what color is Buster? Yeah, yellow. Here we go. Whoa! Cool. There you go, Buster. Now you have some color. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to draw something with me? Yeah, what a great piece of paper for that. Hey, why don't we draw an animal together? But what animal? Oh, you saw a stuffed animal earlier? Where? Oh, right here? Whoa, yeah, a stuffed animal. And this is a dolphin. Whoa, dolphins love to swim in the water. Whoa, especially the ocean. Wow, cool. That's a great idea. So let's take the color blue and start with the top of the body. So we're gonna draw a very long arch and make a gap right in the middle, just like that, for the fin. Look at that. Whoa, cool. And then let's draw the tail. Whoop, woo, whoop, woo. And then let's draw the bottom of the body. There we go. And you can't forget about, yeah, just like that. And a big smile and an eye. Now it's looking like a dolphin, right? Is it complete? No, it needs fins. Let's draw one right there on that side. And then we go like this. Oh, there's one. Perfect. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 fins. Yeah, and the tail, yeah, those aren't fins, but that's one tail. Whoa, and do you see how it looks like it's smiling? Yeah, dolphins always look like they're smiling, even if they're not smiling. Whoa, dolphins are so cool. They live in groups. Yeah, about 10 to 12 dolphins, and that is called a pod of dolphins. Yeah, and dolphins actually don't breathe underwater. They hold their breath, just like you and I. And do you know how they breathe? Yeah, they have a little hole right there. There we go. Yeah, that's the blowhole. When they go to the surface, they get some air, and then when they go underwater, they hold their breath. Whoa, dolphins are so cool. And they're also very smart. Their brains are as big as yours and mine. Wow, very smart, very cool animals. Well, if you like drawing a dolphin with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.